to the Event Makers with me, Craig McGee of Panoptic Events, and we are live from the Schloss Roxburghe for the 24 Hours with Hyatt event. Nestled in the heart of the Scottish borders, this stunning country retreat offers a blend of historic charm and modern luxury. It was once a grand manor house, and this beautifully restored estate now features elegant rooms, suites and cottages that overlook rolling hills and pristine gardens, providing guests with a serene and picturesque escape. Sian, cover your right ear.
Alright.
The hotel features an 18-hole championship golf course that winds through the scenic landscapes. It has a spa and wellness facility which is state-of-the-art, outside with a sauna, outdoor heated pool, and it offers ultimate relaxation for guests. And there's plenty of outdoor activities including fly fishing, clay pigeon shooting, archery and cycling, ensuring the range of experiences for guests to enjoy the grand outdoors of this amazing estate. The event spaces here offer excellent venue for weddings, corporate events and private gatherings. And it was in here where we were learning about hotels that Hyatt own under different brands across all of Europe, places like Athens, Rome, Spain, Germany, obviously Scotland, Manchester, and we even went as far as Stowe. Through taste, through smell, through lots of engaging of the senses, always very, very memorable. Like any event at Panoptic Events, we want to always engage the senses, so it was so good to see this as part of the conference. And honestly, fantastic just how memorable it was. There was even a bit of dress up. Olé! How about this for a lovely gift? Incredible. The hotel has 78 rooms and suites. 20 of these are individual, each with their own distinctive character, and they're located in the main complex, and the further 58 are in the modern part of the hotel, which are just above this spa. And I believe I mentioned dress up. Hyatt have provided us with the Roxburgh tartan. Let's see everybody dressed up in the kilt. Tartan kilt, golf carts and a sunset drive. Excited. The electronic golf carts are going to take us across this massive resort.
Let's go! Sian, how's your experience at the Schloss Roxburghe been?
Oh, I do love it here, Mr. McGee. I really, really do. The chauffeur is leaving a little bit to be desired,
Think
but
so?
I know. It was unexpected.
Looking for a new role. How's life?
And so, are you looking for a role as a chauffeur, or are you out here cruising to find a new role?
I think I'm definitely cruising as a chauffeur currently, right? So certainly working.
Imagine if he was famous. That would have been right good.
That's it. I'll go and pick up his bags later.
Just to search them.
So try to say because I'm from Glasgow.
Try to say because you.
An important part of our role in the MICE industry is networking within the industry. It's crucial for building strong and lasting relationships to help drive business growth and success. Events like these allow the event planners, the suppliers and the venues and clients to come together to exchange ideas and best practice and discover new trends. Ultimately, this networking strengthens the personal and professional bonds across our industry, which are vital for success. Take that to any industry.
Talking to you just about events and playing.
So live on Carpool Karaoke, Golf Buggy edition at the Schloss Roxburghe.
Golf buggy and tartan.
And
I know. You're very golf for the tartan. Look at this. Look at this.
not making sure that that camera goes too low.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Hi.
Tell us, is this your first golf buggy experience?
No.
Tell us about some time that you might have had a slapped wrist.
A slapped wrist? Oh, that was in Andorra recently with one of the Portuguese mafia.
You know who you are.
Exactly, aye. I think we learned a lot of the golf buggies from one of the hotels. But yes, we were in Andorra recently. which was beautiful. And we went up on the snow. It was like 20 degrees in the snow.
In the snow?
It was stunning.
I had a beautiful day the day in the Scottish borders though.
No snow though.
Just outside
Good.
the Kelso.
But yeah, we kept on getting into trouble for overtaking people and going a bit fast. So it was fun though.
We'll not be going a bit fast today.
No, I think that's it. I think that's come to the end of the journey.
And we're parking.
Yep.
And what a place to park, just at the edge of the little loch, as we start to see the sunset. And let's take the Piper take us to the dinner.
This is pretty. Yeah. Funny.
It was amazing to come round the corner and see Clanadonia. Anyone familiar with Buchanan Street in Glasgow, I've certainly seen these guys before with the drums and the bagpipes. Phenomenal band. To the event, adding a bit of music, but also getting people involved in dancing and playing with some instruments as well to really engage your clients. It's not just the women getting up to dance here, you will see the males all up very, very shortly, embarrassing themselves. Dancing has been making us very, very hungry. We had a brilliant barbecue for lunch. Let's go and see what dinner's going to bring to for us. Hotel's dining experiences is a celebration of Scotland's culinary heritage with locally sourced produce and expertly crafted dishes in a very stylish and refined setting. Schloss Roxburghe is perfect for both leisure and events, whether it's a romantic getaway, a family escape or a corporate retreat. Its timeless elegance, its modern amenities and its peaceful surroundings make it an ideal destination for those seeking a blend of relaxation and Scottish country tradition. I for one am very excited about coming back to visit this hotel. I just couldn't believe I was able to spend this afternoon on this outside swimming pool at 23 degrees. The beauty of Scotland with the weather of Scotland. It's usually unpredictable. Now we're away to take in one of Hyatt's CSR activities. Incorporating tree planting into an event as a CSR activity not only enhances the event's sustainability goals, but also delivers a meaningful, lasting contribution to the planet and local communities. Planting trees directly combats climate change by absorbing carbon dioxide and improving air quality and contributing to biodiversity. It's a tangible way for event organisers to offset their carbon footprint, particularly for events that generate significant emissions from travel and energy use. This symbolic and long-lasting activity promotes sustainability, growth and community. By planting trees, the companies can leave a positive long-term legacy for all the attendees at the event.
This is Deb Tree. Hi Christian, how are you?
Hi.
Good to see you. What are we doing today?
What are we doing today? We are planting trees
Yeah.
to show our community support and to be part of the Schloss Roxburghe experience here locally.
This is incredible, by the way. We're in the Schloss Roxburghe in Scotland. As you can tell by the weather, it's definitely Scotland.
Yes.
Shorts and t-shirt here. Yeah, it's been a great experience. 24 hours with Hyatt. What's the purpose of the 24 hours of Hyatt? What are we trying to achieve?
To inspire our clients by storytelling from our hotel colleagues that are here from all over Europe, to spend some time with you in the most precise time available, you know, to use workshops and dinners and lunches to Yeah, get some messages across, but also to network with you and to hear your opinion, what you feel about Hyatt.
Well, that's one thing that we've got to like so many great experiences like, with all the senses. Like last night, like the smell of that fire as we walked up towards Clanadonia playing with the big drums, the bagpipes, the engagement of the band at the start before we had dinner was just a beautiful moment whilst the sun set in the background, you know.
It was perfect.
It was, right beside the lake, shots on the golf cart. But I love stuff like we're doing just now. It's like really pushing the CSR values of what has really came out through the kind of conference part we've been doing. You know, that's really coming through with Hyatt, with the sustainability, with everything you're doing. That's just something I'm really seeing, you know.
Thank you.
It's excellent.
Thank you. Yeah, we try to put a bit of everything into it.
Yeah.
And even so we don't have much time, because it's just 24 hours,
Yeah.
we still, so much planning has gone to it.
Oh, big time,
that we can, you know, have fun,
Yeah.
but also do something meaningful
Yeah.
and something creative.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So we should let's put the tree in the ground.
Yeah, thank you. All right.
Just kind of pump that a wee bit. But that's all right.
That wasn't so difficult. I thought we had to dig like for our lives here. It's just one tree. We've got more to go, right?
Well, there's another one over here we can go to. Christian, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
It's been excellent. Cheers.
Thank you. Great pleasure.
Thank you. Cheers.
A massive thank you to all at Hyatt who invited us along for this amazing trip. I've been Craig McGee, this is the Event Makers. Thank you for watching, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take it away Clanadonia, let's see it out.